Telling the truth was always a lesson I wanted to instill in both my sons. It's a pleasure to see I succeeded.
Oh, he's smelling your butt. How about that? Oh. I think her old attitude is going to change now too.
Yeah.
She's got a friend. Maybe she won't be barking at everybody who walks up the street.
Right.
And dogs.
Mm-hmm.